On a rainy day, when the clouds are gray, I find solace in the melody that they play. Gentle drops falling like a soothing refrain, creating a rhythm that eases all the pain. As the raindrops tap on my window pane, I feel a sense of calm wash away the strain. The pitter-patter on the rooftop above creates a symphony that I'm falling in love. So I'll close my eyes and let the rain wash over me. Sing me a lullaby like a sweet serenade. I'll dance in the storm, oh so